Hello, storyboarders. My name is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how to make a test and quiz template using one of Storyboard That's pre-made templates. All right, let's get started. First, we're going to choose a template that we like. I like this one, so I'm going to click the Copy Template button below. Now, this will bring you directly into the Storyboard Creator, which will then prompt you to give your storyboard a name. You can call it whatever you would like. I'm going to go with Worksheet number 1, and then click Continue. All right, now it is time for us to customize our worksheet. This is where you get to add in directions, update any of the text, add characters, whatever you want to do. So first, I would like to change this background image. Now, I think this faded blue is nice, but I like to change it. So what you can do is click on your item, and in the right-hand menu, you can change the color. But I still think I want something different. So let's delete the pre-existing design and add a new scene. If you go to your scene menu, you can choose a different category. I'm going to go into patterns. So I think I would like to add a rainbow to match this nice border we have. Right, I'm going to scroll all the way over and let's grab this blurred rainbow. Just drag and drop it into your worksheet and click stretch to fill. All right, we're going to select this and then click OK. Now, once you have your scene in place, we can send it to the back of the worksheet. All right, perfect. Now, next is text boxes. Now you can edit any of the pre-existing text boxes. All you have to do is click and you can put in your own words. So let's give this quiz a name. We're going to call it Rainbow Color Quiz. Perfect. Now I can change the font as well as its size as well. Just highlight the text that you want to change, go over to your text editor, and let's select a new font. I'm going to go with something big, but that can still be a little bit bigger. So let's go up to 48 points. All right, perfect. Now you can also change the color of your text. Down here, it's a little tough to read, so I want to change these to a brighter color. So just like the before, you select the font, the text that you want to change, and go over to your text editor. Let's go to this drop-down menu, and on the right, we have text color. We're going to select white. All right, perfect. Now I want to change these other ones too, but what might be faster is deleting the original ones and then taking this one that we've already edited and copying it. If you go to your right-hand menu and edit, you can click the copy button. Let's do that twice. Great. Now let's drag these updated questions into place. And let's not forget to correctly number them. So this is question number 6. And down here is question number 7. All right, perfect. Now, I would also like to add an item to this. Now, you can browse the items category, or you can search for a specific item in the upper right-hand search menu. Now, since we have rainbows, let's put in a cloud. You can search for any item that you would like. And let's select this one. Actually, let's go with this one. I like this. Just drag and drop it into your worksheet and customize the color here. Now, you can select any of these pre-selected ones, or you can customize it to whatever color you would like. Now, I think let's have something not too distracting, so I'm going to make it a nice pink color. When you have the color that you like, just click Choose. All right, now I'd like this behind the rainbow border. Now I can either send the cloud back and then bring it forward, or I can just click the border and bring this all the way to the front. Great. Now, last but not least is characters. I'd like to add a fun scientist to this, but I need a little bit of room. So I would like to put them right here below the cloud. So all you have to do is select these questions and let's slide them over. Now we got some space. So for characters, just go up to your characters menu and I'm going to go into the jobs category. Now I could scroll through and try to find a character that I think works, or I can go over to the filters option and click one of these options. Now we already have a science selection, so let's select that. Perfect. This narrows it down for us so we can find the character that we want easy. All right, I like this scientist, so all we have to do is drag and drop them into our scene. And now we get to customize our character. This is where we get to change facial expressions, poses, and any other characteristics. So let's make a very enthusiastic scientist. Now, when you're all done making your updates, just click the Update Pose. Now, you can drag your character anywhere you would like in your poster. You can also resize them by dragging the corner of the image. So let's make them nice and big. All right, now, is there any other changes I want to make to this? Yeah, I think I would like to change these lines to be white, because just like before with the questions, a little tough to read. So let's select our lines and then change the color in the right-hand menu. Now, I'm just going to do this one manually for these three. All right, perfect. Now, when you are all done updating your quiz and test template, all you have to do is go to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and click the orange Save and Exit button. And that is how you make a quiz using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching, and happy storyboarding.